Somehow, some way, this is gonna be a cottage one day. I don't know how, and I don't know when, but by God, it's going to happen. Okay.
Hi, welcome to my bus. Can I get to you?
I can't walk.
Look at this. Hi, I'm Angela Young and welcome to the Loon Cottage. I am in the middle of digging myself out of what I would describe as a snowy hellscape. This is what I would call a lot of snow. Look at this sad little car. I'm up here with a shovel, hi-ho silver, and my 2 children off frolicking somewhere in the snow. I need to maintain access to this cottage through the winter so that I can have various tradespeople come through here, install a kitchen, put in new windows and doors, install carpet. People need to access this cottage, and right now it is currently buried in snow, just absolutely buried. I've got a clear path from here to there. All right, here we go. That's not helping. That's a good one. All right, you ready for a ride?
Yeah.
Clearing a path. Oh.
This is fun.
This one's a little bit heavy. Got it. All right, welcome to my neighbor's garage where I have been storing all of the things that are too big to fit in my car. Brand new mattresses, cover panels for kitchen, and a 4-foot wide vanity for the bunkie spa. We're gonna be loading all of this stuff into a large moving van, which I will be driving to the cottage by myself. Wish me luck. Pouring rain is not exactly ideal. Okay, it's pouring rain outside and I got my lucky boots on. Could not ask for poorer weather to be moving large pieces of furniture and mattresses. Luckily, I wrapped everything last night, so that's a huge head start. I was feeling some full moon energy last night, so I just decided to work until I didn't feel like working anymore, which meant I was up until about 4 o'clock in the morning finishing episode 3. So I'm operating on about 4 hours of sleep right now, which on a day of pouring rain and heavy moving might not have been the wisest choice.
Thank you, Kurt.
All right, how hard could this be? I don't like it, but I'm doing it. Let's do it. All right, we finally made it up. It's time to unload some of these big boxes. That was quite a journey getting up here, let me tell you. All right, so we just finished loading all the stuff into the cottage. It is so full in here that there's nowhere to even move. I'm gonna have to come up here next weekend and try to put things back together. The windows and doors are being installed next weekend, so I'm gonna be up here again. I'll have to do some organizing and try to get things ready for them so that they can actually maneuver in here. This is what it looks like when I arrive in the dark, only that tiny light on over there isn't on and I'm actually terrified for my life. I'm a city gal, I'm not used to coming out in the woods like this. First thing I always have to do when I'm up here is get a fire going. I'm by no means a wood stove expert. I'm actually a novice and getting better every time. The next thing I'm gonna do is try to get about these size logs going. Also filming and making a fire is challenging. Oh, and for the record, I just want to show you what's going on behind me. This is what I'm here to organize this weekend. Oh, look at this. The Cottage is fully insulated and spray foamed underneath, so it gets quite toasty once the fire gets going. It's usually at this point of the fire building process that I go collect my children from the car. I'm gonna leave the door slightly ajar just because it lets a lot of oxygen in this teensy little crack here. Just see what I think I saw over there. Ugh. Oh yes. It's the glorious green light of internet signal. Just when we get this basic internet set up, this email drops into my inbox. Everybody around here told me it was going to be years until Starlink is available in this area. I put my name on the list as soon as I got this place, and lo and behold, Elon Musk to the rescue. It's a big day at the cottage. It's new windows and doors day, and I could not be more excited. There's a whole crew here. They're ripping out all the old trim and windows from 1978, all new glass for the whole cottage.
Cottage is getting destroyed.
It's improvements. Look, they're gonna pull out the window. Do you think it's gonna break?
Uh-huh. I think it's gonna break. Yeah.
You guys are gonna insulate it?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, I feel like it gets really cold from the windows. So the middle has to be 54.
54. We cut it from here, and this side we don't.
This side's fine.
Yeah.
Cut from this side.
Yeah.
Okay. It's always just a little bit nerve-wracking seeing a giant hole being cut into your cottage, but this is necessary. This is necessary.